I have used all my info from this web page, all credits to them, and not me. I only made a video. How to add any application to the Windows desktop right-click menu. If you want really quick access to launch a frequently used application without putting extra icons on your desktop, you can add that application to the context menu for the desktop with a simple registry hack. Here's how to do it. Naturally, we've also covered the opposite scenario, how to clean up your messy Windows context menu, which is an equally useful read if you've got a bunch of items you want to remove from the menu. This technique should work in Windows 7, 8, 10, or Vista. We don't have an XP computer to test it on, but we're guessing it doesn't work there. Before we get started, please remember we are about to do brain surgery, with your system's memory. You are advised to create a backup of it, just in case you change something you should have left alone. Standard warning: Registry Editor is a powerful tool and misusing it can render your system unstable or even inoperable. This is a pretty simple hack, and as long as you stick to the instructions, you shouldn't have any problems. That said, if you've never worked with it before, consider reading about how to use the Registry Editor before you get started. And definitely back up the registry and your computer before making changes. Registry Backup. From the Registry Editor menu, choose File and then Export. You can also right-click or tap and hold the key and then choose Export. So what is a registry hack? Whenever you customize a key or value in the registry, you could arguably call it a registry hack, but in this context, we're referring to those downloadable registry hack files with the .reg extension that do magical things to your computer. Like break it. Be afraid. In simpler terms, a registry hack file is a backup of all the changes that you've made to your registry, saved in a file so that you can apply those same changes to your computer should you reinstall, or on another computer when you get a new one. If you want some examples of registry hacks, flip through and read some of the ones we've covered over the years. If you're really determined to continue reading, please proceed. Just don't blame us if your computer breaks. Left-click on the Windows icon, bottom left. Click Run. Type Regedit. Then click Run. In the Regedit window, click File. Then click Export. Save the data in a safe place. Adding applications to the desktop context menu. For today's lesson we'll show you how to add Notepad to the menu, but you could add any applications you want instead. The first thing you'll want to do is open up regedit.exe through the Start menu, search or Run box. hkey_classes_root/directory/background/shell. And then browse down to the following key. The screen should look similar to this one if you are in the right place. Next, you'll want to create a new key underneath the shell key, the name of which is exactly what is going to show up on the desktop menu. Right-click on the shell key, and then choose New \key from the menu. Give the new key the name that you want to show up on the desktop context menu. For this example we'll be using Notepad. Next you'll need to create the command key that will actually hold the command used to launch the application. Right-click on the new Notepad key, and then choose New \key from the menu. Give this key the name command in lowercase. Now click on command on the left side, and then double-click on the default key in the right side to edit the string value. Paste in the full path to the executable that you got from the copy as path step above. Once it's done, it should look like this. And right-clicking on the desktop will produce the new menu item. Naturally, using this menu item should launch Notepad. You can add as many applications to the desktop context menu as you'd like, just repeat the steps again with a new menu item name.